Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes YouTube channel. Today I will introduce you to two different traditional Turkish kebabs, Adana Kebab and Hatay Paper Kebab. We will watch together, step by step, how these unique flavors are shaped by masterful hands, how they are cooked as street food, and how they are served. If you're ready, let's dive into the magical world of kebab mastery. The Adana kebabs are carefully placed on skewers by skilled hands, hand-shaped and waiting, ready to be cooked. The red ones are spicy, and the lighter, almost white-colored ones are non-spicy. The color and texture of the meat change according to the ratio of spices inside, and this difference directly affects the taste. And this is the display of the paper kebab. The masters have decorated this area with care, making it appealing to both the eye and the palate. Now let's see together how this delicious kebab is prepared. We know that Adana kebab is made with lamb meat and tail fat. Only salt, red pepper flakes, and optionally red kapya pepper are added to this mixture. All ingredients are minced using a special large cleaver-like cutting tool called zırh, entirely with wrist strength. This process preserves the texture of the meat and gives the kebab its characteristic flavor.
Adana yapayım mı Adana?
Paper kebab, just like Adana kebab, is also prepared with lamb meat and tail fat. However, unlike Adana, chopped onions, parsley, and green peppers can also be added to the mixture in this kebab. All ingredients are taken into a large tray, thoroughly mixed and kneaded. Once the flavors are blended, it's time to move on to the shaping stage. The baking paper is lightly oiled first, then the prepared kebab mixture is placed on top of the paper. It is spread by pressing with skilled hands and given a circular shape the size of a serving plate. Since all of this shaping process is done directly on the paper, this delicious dish is called paper kebab. Unlike Adana kebab, paper kebab is cooked on a preheated special iron plate. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. To join me on more culinary journeys with traditional and delicious recipes, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. For more mouth-watering kebab recipes and street food delights, make sure to check out my other videos too. I especially recommend pan-cooked beef doner, epic flavor without a rotisserie, the secret to Turkish chicken pilaf, a street food classic, authentic Konya etli ekmek, baked in a stone oven. See you in the next one. With love from Chef Salim. İstersen bu metni videoya seslendirme olarak da hazır. This plate is specially designed for this kebab. Its surface is bumpy and slightly sloped. Thanks to this, while the kebab browns, the excess fat flows toward the edges, ensuring a more balanced cooking and intensifying the flavor. With the heat from the iron, the bottom browns nicely, and the kebab continues to cook deliciously inside the paper. Now let me show you this special stove powered by gas. There is a flame system working with gas at the bottom, and thanks to this, every part of the iron plate heats evenly. This heat distribution allows both the edges and the center of the paper kebab to cook at the same time and evenly. The secret of professional flavor lies precisely in this controlled heat. Now we come to how the paper kebab is served. After the kebab is nicely browned, it is prepared to be wrapped. Flatbreads are slightly heated and softened on the iron. Then the round paper kebab is cut in half and the crescent-shaped pieces are placed inside the bread. Only chopped onions and parsley are added on top. Nothing else is needed. Because this kebab, with its flavor alone, is more than enough. Since it's quite large, it fills the bread completely and becomes a satisfying wrap. In the final step, the wrap is rolled, transforming into a delight that can be enjoyed while sitting under the shade of a tree on the street. We can say that Adana Kebab is tastier than paper kebab because it is cooked over charcoal embers. Of course, this is entirely a matter of preference. Adana Kebab is slightly less in weight because it is usually served as a wrap and only onions are added inside the flatbread. It can be a bit difficult to eat while walking on the street. On the other hand, paper kebab stands out as a more filling and practical option. Both kebabs are important representatives of Turkish cuisine worldwide and are flavors that rightfully enjoy a well-earned reputation. That's it for our video. Friends, we went on a unique flavor journey together with Adana Kebab and Hatay Paper Kebab. I hope you also enjoyed it and discovered new flavors. See you in the next video. Take care of yourselves. With love from Chef Salim.